Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about how a drop in WTI crude is worrying for Avalanche. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. Most of you viewers will probably have seen that this is not a an Avalanche graph, but a WTI. Let me just zoom out. A WTI crude price graph, and I just want to point out the reason why this is so worrying, because since the peak we've had at the 14th of June, so that was last week, we are facing currently over a 15% decline to the downside. So, and as it stands, it's still $3 away, but oil crude could be at the cusp of dropping below that $100 per barrel. And the fact that this evening we have the delayed API oil numbers, and then on Thursday we have the DOE numbers. So if we could see a stock build in that would mean possibly that this could be gapping all the way down open towards $92. So, and as we already had for example, the S&P 500 in a bear market correction, we already had a bond market correction. Now it looks like we are undergoing a commodity correction, because it's not only WTI crude, we also have copper, iron ore, and wood prices, for example, that are dropping massively since the last week or 2 weeks. So something to bear in mind. So that means another cash drain in the markets, this time in the last asset class that was still standing. So that would mean for a Avalanche price action that another downturn could be triggered, as investors are pulling away their cash yet again. As we speak as well, Bitcoin is just only $400 above the 20,000 marker. So that's a thin margin to trade on in order for a level to hold. And we saw a bit of a similar reversal already on Tuesday evening, where although a sort of a relief rally got sparked, it got near the end of the US session, it completely backfired and closed almost unchanged, which could prove that bulls have been matched with a lot of bearish price action, and a reversal is now at play. And that reversal, that means that this is a reversal to the downside. As it stands, the low of Tuesday has been broken. So expect in the first run to see another 12% drop, with the triple bottom from June 13, June 14, June 15. And as from there, then in search of the next one, that is the low of June 19. And in case that breaks, then it opens up this room area here to go to $9, and that would mean a 44% devaluation. To the upside, then rather limited, with this red descending trend line still in place. So a limited upward gain from only roughly 13-12%, give or take, depending on where we end, to the upside. So limited upside, more potential to the downside, with two clear levels to be watched at. In case those break, then that means this thin level here and then this double level here. So if these two break, then expect this room to open up and possibly dip below $10. So not a good forecast for Avalanche, and that will all depend indeed, because this commodity cycle coming off its high could spell a recession fears sooner as foreseen. So some grim economic outlook there. That's it for Avalanche for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.